What if you could help businesses handle their customer service conversations without ever hiring a single support rep? ElevenLabs just turned WhatsApp into a legitimate service opportunity for anyone who understands what I'm about to show you, and most people scrolling past this update have zero clue what they are missing. Hey, it is Paul. I help people turn AI tools into leverage and income without needing a massive budget or tech background. And listen, if you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go High Level, because there is free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. So here is what just changed. ElevenLabs became an official WhatsApp technology provider. That means their conversational AI agents now work directly inside WhatsApp for businesses, not some janky workaround, not a bot that sounds like a robot from 2008. We are talking full voice and text conversations that feel completely human, running in the app that practically everyone on the planet already uses every single day. Here is why that matters. Most business owners are drowning in customer messages. They get questions about delivery times, product details, appointment scheduling, order status, all the repetitive stuff that eats up hours but does not actually grow the business. And hiring someone to respond costs real money. Salaries, benefits, training, management. It adds up fast. Most small businesses cannot afford a full support team, so the owner ends up glued to their phone answering the same 10 questions over and over. That is the old broken model. You either pay a person to sit there all day or you ignore customers and lose sales. ElevenLabs on WhatsApp just deleted that entire problem. I call this the instant availability framework. Here is how it works. Instead of a business owner responding manually or paying a support person hourly wages, they deploy an AI agent through ElevenLabs that lives inside their WhatsApp business account. When a customer sends a message or calls, the agent picks up instantly. It understands the question, pulls the right information, and responds in real time with a voice or text reply that sounds natural and helpful. Most people never realize this part. The agent does not just repeat canned responses. It handles actual conversations. Someone asks about delivery windows, the agent checks the schedule and confirms timing. Someone wants to reschedule an appointment, the agent handles the workflow and updates the calendar. Someone needs product recommendations, the agent walks them through options based on what they actually need. Here is where things get wild. ElevenLabs built this to work in 32 languages. So if you are running a business with international customers or even just serving a diverse local market, the same agent switches languages automatically based on who is messaging. No need to hire multilingual staff, no expensive translation services, the AI just adapts. And it works in both call mode and chat mode. That means customers can either type their questions like a normal WhatsApp conversation, or they can actually call the business number and have a full voice conversation with the AI agent. The voice side is where ElevenLabs really shines because their text-to-speech technology is the most realistic on the market right now. People cannot tell they are talking to AI unless you explicitly tell them. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. This is not some experimental feature you need a developer to set up. ElevenLabs is an official WhatsApp technology provider, which means the integration is stable, secure, and built to scale. Businesses can start deploying these agents without worrying about the system breaking or violating platform rules. Now let me show you how this turns into a service opportunity for you. If you are a freelancer, consultant, or agency owner, you just found your next repeatable offer. Here is the play. You approach local businesses that rely on customer communication, restaurants taking reservations, home service companies scheduling appointments, e-commerce stores answering product questions, real estate agents handling buyer inquiries. Any business that gets the same questions repeatedly is a perfect fit. You offer to set up an AI agent on their WhatsApp that handles customer conversations automatically. You can structure this as a setup service plus ongoing management. The business saves money compared to hiring support staff, and you create a valuable service relationship without doing the work yourself after the initial setup. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. You do not need to be a tech genius to offer this. ElevenLabs designed their platform so you can configure agents without writing code. You set the personality, load in the business information, connect it to their WhatsApp account, and let it run. Your value is not technical skill. Your value is understanding the business problem and positioning the solution. And here is where the leverage gets insane. Once you have set up an agent for one client, you can replicate the process for the next client in a fraction of the time. Your first setup might take a few hours as you learn the platform. Your 10th setup takes maybe an hour because you already know the workflow. You are essentially selling the same service over and over with decreasing effort each time. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. It seemed like you needed a whole team or a massive budget to deploy AI for clients, but the entire game has shifted. Tools like ElevenLabs give you the same capability a Fortune 500 company has, except you can offer it to the local HVAC company or the boutique retailer down the street. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you are a freelancer who just landed a handful of small business clients for this service. Each one pays you to run their ElevenLabs WhatsApp agent. That is recurring revenue from work you did once during setup. Now imagine you scale that to multiple clients over time. You are building predictable income from a service that requires minimal ongoing work after the initial onboarding. You are not trading time for money anymore. You are selling automation and availability, which means your income potential is not capped by how many hours you can work. The AI agent handles the conversations. You handle the client relationship and optimization. That is the kind of leverage most people never figure out how to create. Here's another angle. If you are already running an agency or doing marketing for clients, this becomes an upsell you can add to existing accounts. You are already managing their ads or building their funnels. Now you add WhatsApp AI support as an additional service layer. It makes your entire offer more valuable, it increases what you can charge, and it deepens your relationship with the client because you are solving a real operational pain point. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Now here is what separates people who actually build something from this versus people who just watch videos about it. Most people see a tool announcement and think it is cool, then they move on. The people who win are the ones who immediately ask themselves, who needs this right now, and how do I get in front of them with a clear offer? So here is your next step. Pick 3 businesses in your area that handle high volumes of customer questions. Could be a busy restaurant, a cleaning service, a local retailer. Walk in or message the owner and say, I noticed you are probably spending a lot of time answering the same customer questions. I can set up an AI assistant on your WhatsApp that handles those conversations automatically and sounds completely human. Would you be open to a quick demo to see how it works? That is it. No complicated pitch, no hype, just a clear problem and a clear solution. The businesses that need this will say yes immediately because you are offering to save them time and money while improving their customer experience. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after landing just a couple clients on this. You have predictable service relationships. You have something that actually helps businesses. And you have a skill that is only going to become more valuable as more companies realize AI support is not optional anymore. This is not some distant future thing. ElevenLabs is live on WhatsApp right now. The businesses in your city are already getting customer messages they do not have time to answer. The opportunity is sitting there waiting for someone to connect the dots. So if you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there is free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. The only question left is whether you are going to act on this or let someone else in your market claim this opportunity first. I will see you in the next one.